Hi guys, this is a really short tutorial, just an idea, because quite often we need to create some seeded data in ClickUp, in Asana, in Jira for example, like in my case, in this backlog, and we need to simulate some kind of a number of tickets we can automate, so we need something for the AI agent to work with, right? So I'm using Claude Cowork just to seed those fake tickets in the Silicon Valley series universe using the names from the show. And this was my specifications as a user ID, company ID, some data here, and fake comments. There is another skill that I created that basically creates those comments from my user as well, and everything happens on the UI, just Cowork organizing my Chrome. So this one is really simple. So this is the skill, right? So I created this with Cowork as well after I was done. So in my case, this setting will be much faster. So generate a ticket content, right? So this is a specification, the bug format, because I had two examples, and the rules, and basically I'm supposed to provide the organization, where the backlog is sitting, and that's it. So it creates the tickets via the REST API for me. I don't really need any details or anything, and it also verifies that it was created, and that's it. That's the skill. So when I provide this instruction and the link, this is my fake Jira. Obviously, I need it for my n8n agent to test out a couple of things. So see 20 more Jira tickets in my backlog using keep using the Silicon Valley universe for names and topics. Make those tickets funny. So it will be much faster on my end, obviously, because I'm utilizing the skill already, but it is going to generate this content for me, and then it will craft those tickets in Jira for me. So remember, I had 100 tickets in here in my backlog. So now, as you can see, Claude started debugging this browser, so it works on those tickets for me. It's executing the JavaScript, and this will basically create those seeded tickets for me with some content in it, and I will be able to work with those tickets in my n8n automation. So quite obviously you can do the very same stuff with ClickUp, with Asana, and many other things using Cowork. Really simple, really fast. You don't need to waste a lot of time or ask your developers to create some script to see this data. Really simple, really fast, and convenient, obviously, for product managers like me. So let's wait a moment here. I'll just press pause. And as we can see here, it is thinking about it. It even creates some kind of a story with Monica, with Dinesh, and 3 Club LLC from Russ Hanneman, and it basically generates those tickets. We have 11 tickets so far. So the content will be generated. As you can see, it references real people from that show. So Jared as well, Guilfoyle. So now we have tickets. The ticket number 16. We need 20 of them. Okay, so we have 20 tickets ready. This story, I mean, and then it is about to use the Claude in my Chrome to generate those tickets. You can see the batch jobs on the right. So it's creating tickets in batches, and we will verify them afterwards when these are done. Obviously it takes some time, so I'll pause it. Okay, and here we are, 4 bucks, 16 stories, and let's refresh it now. and we have 120 stories in the backlog. So a couple of bugs. Page list Erlich Bachmann as advisor, as a contact preferences erlichbachmannaviato.com. So it works well. Obviously you don't need to waste a lot of time, and you just can let Claude Cowork do the magic for you for anything that requires any seeded fake data. Just give it an example and that's it. Hopefully it is useful. 6 minutes and you don't need to waste a lot of time. Just let it do the magic for you. Thank you.